Okay guys, I'm going to introduce you to my little project. Kind of a crappy deal kind of project. My daughter's boyfriend ended up wrecking her car, and so now our project is to fix this thing, and he banged it up pretty good. Well, it would technically be totaled. We're going to untotal it. Never done this before. Never even took a door panel off. So let me introduce you to our project. So in the front, I already started on some of this to figure out whether or not I was even going to be able to do it. I've never done this before, and I don't have any special tools. I did order some weld breakers. I just got those, but the front fender, I'm going to replace it from a salvage yard. I ordered all the parts. I'm probably about $1,200 into parts right now. So I have the front fender, the front door passenger side. Actually, I got pretty lucky. So my front door is already white. My front fender will be black. And I don't know how this happened, but this door was completely skipped. There's no dents, scratches, or anything on it. Then back here, I already messed with it. I tried to beat it out. I thought I could get a brake light in there. So I beat on it. I'll put pictures in here to show what it originally looked like. But I wasn't having much luck. I couldn't get this to come out good enough. So, and the rear bumper. So the rear bumper is trashed also. So I had to get a red rear bumper. So I'll have to paint the bumper, paint the front fender. And then on this guy right here, I ordered a rear quarter panel. And I'm going to shoot for cutting underneath the glass, coming across over to there, and then cutting it out down there. I'm going to have to replace a big part of this back here, which I think, can't see in here very good. I'm just going to cut it and replace the whole thing. Depending on what my quarter panel looks like. I'm not sure. I've never done this before. He said he pretty much just lops it off all the way up and then gives me a big chunk to work with. So I really hope that's the case. And that is white. I'm trying to stay under the window. This is pretty much just a little dent, but I'm going to have to weld in Bondo anyway. So I'm trying to stay under the back glass so I don't have to pull it out. I can just protect it, do all this, cut it in here. At least that's what's in my head right now. But I'm going to learn as I go, and that's where I am right now. So, new project.